As someone who has been trying different ways to make money online, I can tell you that it's not really that easy to make money online, especially if you're going to be relying on building a social media audience or using affiliate links, because it comes with lots of stress. But how about I tell you that there are websites that can actually pay you instantly to do little tasks, even if you don't even have any experience or skill. In some cases, they even get to train you to be able to have the skill to do the tasks they want you to do for them. So let's find out about this website. First website is called Remote Tasks. It's a website that gets to train you to be able to do the job they want you to do, and then you get paid. How it works is you do the task, you get paid. It's that simple. From labeling images to transcribing audio, earn money completing simple tasks. So you can see from here, all you need to do is just to learn, and it's all for free. They will give you a quick online course that you will learn for free and hands-on training too. Here you also complete the task once you've been able to gather the training that they are going to be giving you. So afterwards you get paid weekly. They're going to be paying you via PayPal or LTM based on your quality and number of tasks completed. So you can just start by clicking here and signing up with them. Once you have completed the course, you get tasks and you start earning money instantly. The second website is called InstaGC. This is where you earn some points for things you already do online, like completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, searching the web. And to get started, all you have to do is you just log in here and then you get started with them. Once you complete survey or watch videos or shop online, they pay you for doing these jobs. So it's that simple and easy to use. The next website is called Userfeel. This is where you get to test some websites and get paid for it. You can get paid from $3 to $30 per test, and each of the tests takes like 5 to 60 minutes to complete, and most tests are 20 minutes, like you can see here from the website. So to get started, you just have to read the instructions and how to use it as a tester, and then you click here to get started. The best part is with this website, you can potentially earn a lot of money if you keep doing as many website testing as possible. So the next website is called Clearvoice. It's a Fiverr company. All you need to do is just write for top brands, and then you get paid as a freelancer. And to get started, you see here, I'm already at this place. You click freelance for us, and then you sign up and get started. So you can see the companies that they write for. These are potential companies that you can actually write for by the time you are picked as a freelancer. So you just get started by logging in. This website is called Appen. This is a very popular website where you can find remote jobs, and they have quite a number of companies they work with, and they have quite a number of work. It's a very grounded website where you can get freelance job, remote jobs from wherever you are. So to get started, you just join our crowd here, and then once there is job wherever you are, depending on your location, they call you up and then you start doing the job for them. So this is a very popular website to use. But before I share other websites, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel if you really want to learn other ways to make money online. I really appreciate that. So this next website is called Scribie. This is for transcription jobs, and it could be audio or video. So you get to be paid $5 to $20 potentially if you're able to transcribe an audio for 1 hour. And all you have to do is just listen and get the right words, then apply the contest, and you get paid through PayPal. So it's quite simple and easy to do. And to get started, you click here and fill out these forms, then sign up to get started. Once they have a job, you're contacted through your email, and then you start doing the job. So the next website is called Free Cash. This is another place where you get to do some tasks like taking survey, to get paid. So they have different things, like you see, you can install, play games, to get paid, fill out surveys, to get paid on this website. So whichever one you want to do, you just sign in here to get started, so that you have your account created and you start making money. You can actually register with your email so that you can start earning money with this. This next website is called Sproutgig. This is where you get freelancers, like it's a marketplace for freelancers and business owners around. So if you're looking for freelancers aside Fiverr, you can actually find freelancers here on Sproutgig. So you have categories of jobs that you can actually find here, from digital marketing to digital writing, graphic design, a whole lot, as you can see on the website. And to get started, you click here and sign up to get started. And once you have a job, or once business owners come looking for freelancers, you get contacted after you must have signed up.
The next website is called Timebox. You get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, answer surveys. So all you have to do is to sign up here. You can use your email or you can use your Facebook to log in into this website to start earning money. So there are daily bonuses, start earning instantly, referral programs, you can be an affiliate, and there is weekly payouts. So this website is good. It's also important to know that most of these websites are just a place where you can get side hustles that you can be getting little money to complement your own major source of income. It doesn't necessarily mean that these websites are going to make you rich or give you millions of money. And most times you need to be consistent to be able to earn the amount of money you are having in mind while using the website. So let's go back to the last one. So the last website for today's video is called Trueletter, and it's just like the Sproutgig. It's a place where you can find freelancing jobs, and it requires you to have some form of skill. If you look down here, you will see some freelancers already and their portfolio and their charges too. You can see most of them have star ratings that are very good, and it means they are delivering quality jobs to their clients. So all you have to do to get started is to create a free account and you get started. And there is one part for the client and for the freelancers. So you sign up as a freelancer and then you start getting jobs. And if you're getting good reviews, it means more clients will be coming your way. So you just have to put in your best to make sure to have people coming to ask you to do some jobs for them.
If you're looking to make money using Google News, you might want to check out this video where I broke down how you can actually do this even if you don't have any skill. Please do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.